What is up, you guys?
What's up? Happy Mother's Day to everybody. Obviously, you're seeing this after Mother's Day, but happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful mothers out there.
Almost walked into a tree branch.
We were going to do something awesome for my mom. My mom recently passed away, but we were going to send balloons up, but instead I got like a Mother's Day candle holder. I'm going to like light a candle for her later. I'm sure you guys will see. So.
Yeah.
Anyways, we're going RCing right now. I got a bunch of gear.
So much.
We're gonna go play.
Backpack on my back.
Right, mine too. We're gonna go play in the dirt and have fun, and I don't know, we'll see kind of what goes on back there because I want to do something different than last time. So I went and bought a new tool. She's got her shovel.
I got a bunch of shit.
A bucket. She's got a bucket. She can play some water. This RC's kind of heavy.
Yo, we just heard something. Is it in there? He scared the shit out of me. I think it left.
Yeah, right, dude. I didn't hear nothing after, and there's leaves everywhere. It moves. It dipped underneath it, I think. I don't know.
Weird. Dang it. I couldn't have had the camera rolling. So I guess we're coming to this area, guys. Something spooked us. Looks like we're all gravy over here. Oh, there's that bunny.
Oh,
there's that bunny.
Cute.
Oh my god, I hope I got that on camera.
It's all white. It's right there.
Oh, it is.
Cute.
That's what I saw last time. It lives over here then. Alright, guys. We're gonna get set up.
Yeah.
We're getting somewhere. My little Pinecone Valley area is almost good. Hopefully add some more pine cones in there at some point. Yeah, you know. Check out what he did.
Wish I would have brought my gloves.
Little wall that kind of maps out where you go up here.
So like we're cruising, right? And it's like kind of a scale wall. You know, you don't want it too big, but you can't have it like too short. And it just kind of looks sick. I could have done them closer, but it is what it is for just a start. Right, so, and it's supposed to help, like if I tip like right here and I go, oh, it's supposed to help me from tipping over down Death Valley.
Yeah, Death Valley, that's what we're going to call that.
Yeah, there are RCs, but we still like to take care of these as best as we can. I'm like slapping it and mud's falling out.
guys, we got charcoal. And we got food. And we're gonna barbecue. Woo!
We're over here.
I knew that.
You guys,
I knew that.
look at this. Barbecue top, baby.
Yeah. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, buddy.
We live, baby.
Baby.
Oh, baby, what is you doing? Oh, no. Oh, my God, you guys. Chilling and grilling.
You already know.
Sunday, fun day. Ooh, look at that. He put cheese on
With
his.
the grill, baby.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. All right. We're gonna watch some YouTube.
Oh my God.
You know.
So delicious, you guys. Pumped. Check it out with this. Bye. What's up, you guys? So, as I was saying earlier, I got these candle holders and some tea light candles. See Brooke in the background playing games. She's geeking out. And tea light candles. Because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna light some candles for the rest of the night for like memory of my mom, Mother's Day. I'm not gonna get into details. I'm just gonna light these candles and you're gonna see a little time lapse of them burning and we'll go from there. So I hope you guys liked, I got the LED like right above me, perfect lighting, but I hope you guys liked the I hope you guys liked the candles going and the little time lapse of them. But ultimately, you're the one that was vlogging today, so you ended out. I just hope you guys watched and I hope you guys enjoyed.
It's been a long day. We did stuff. I look really.
We did a lot of stuff.
I look really tired. I'm really tired. I have to work tomorrow, so we have to go to bed. I'm
excited. I love sleep time.
Yes, me too. So, like this video, comment, let us know what you thought, and we will see you next time.
We're gonna see you next vlog.